Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the environment, make sure Node and Electron versions match the app requirements, and note them. Once done, launch with debug flags, use enable logging and inspect BRK to capture main process behavior. This forces breakpoints before code runs. Then reproduce the error while capturing stack traces and stdir output, so you have concrete lines to analyze. This step narrows the cause rapidly and prepares you for targeted fixes rather than guesswork. Once you have logs, locate the exact file and line number. That stack trace tells you where to start. Next, isolate the failing code by commenting out or stubbing modules so you can confirm which import or call triggers the crash. Then insert breakpoints or console. Trace and wrap risky code in try/catch to inspect runtime values and types. This explains why the error happens, rather than just where. By isolating, you avoid blanket changes and target a minimal fix. Now apply the minimal corrective change. Add input validation, guard clauses, or correct an async/await misuse. Explain why the fix removes the crash, and adjust error handling so future faults are graceful. Rebuild and run the app, then execute full test cases to verify main process stability. If the issue persists, enable core dumps and reproduce with sanitized data for deeper inspection, and make sure to check native module versions. One key tip: if unsure, revert to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.